Whether you're jet setting, road tripping, or just hitting the gym in the morning, you probably carry some kind of travel bag around with you. And that bag is probably something like this, kind of just a huge pouch. And honestly, I've gotten a bit tired trying to find the tweezers, the nail clippers, anything that's small and gets easily lost in these big pouch designs. So Volt designed this. Hey guys, Austin here for Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today we're gonna go over what is probably the most thoughtfully designed toiletry bag that is out there right now. And of course we are talking about the Go Pack. The Go Pack, of course, is Volt Grooming's answer to the messy toiletry bag problem. And here is how it changes the game. Let's talk first about the storage options, since this is probably what is the biggest difference between the Go Pack and a standard toiletry bag. Let's open it up here. Now, having options is a good thing, especially when you're dealing with toiletries that are all different types of shapes and sizes. With these big, clear, see-through pouches, the elastic straps, the mesh pockets, everything is pretty much readily available right at your fingertips, no matter what it is. The reason you've got this clear material up here in the front so you can see through everything, you'll know exactly where everything is, even in the pockets. And these elastic straps up here in the front make it so easy to just grab your nail clippers or your toothbrush or anything else that you can store right in here and grab at a moment's notice. But of course, none of this would really matter if the Go Pack wasn't suitable enough for your travels. So let's talk about what it's made of and how durable it is. This is Cordura. More specifically, these are Cordura motorcycle pants that I use to ride with sometimes. If these were designed to keep me safe after falling onto rough asphalt at 60 to 70 miles per hour, then it's probably safe to say it can handle your travel lifestyle, don't you think? And that is why the Go Pack uses a military-grade Cordura outer shell. This stuff is water resistant, it's scratch resistant, and once everything here is just folded up nice and tight and of course clipped into place, everything is going to stay safe that way. Now of course, the Go Pack, or any toiletry bag for that matter, wouldn't mean anything if you never wanted to actually bring it with you on your travels. And the Go Pack honestly is no different because it was designed to be convenient everywhere you go. Don't have a counter? Hang it on a shower hook. No hook? Try a towel rod instead. Do you have a counter, but maybe instead you want your shower products in the shower with you? Just separate the big clear plastic pouch at the bottom and keep everything where you want it. It's easy peasy and it gives you the power to put things where you want in an organized way. Ultimately, the Go Pack changes things for the better and pairs perfectly with Volt's refillable aluminum products, of which you can see behind me are big refill packs of products that you can use to refill the aluminum travel bottles in your Go Pack, thus helping you save the environment by reducing a ton of plastic waste, since both those refillable aluminum bottles and these refill packs are made of aluminum, which gets recycled a lot more often than plastic does. But it saves a bit on your wallet as well, since these are discounted for the amount you're getting. So if you guys are having issues with trying to find things in a toiletry bag, or if you're tired like I am of having to dig through a big toiletry bag or forgetting where you placed things in that bag, or if you even brought them in the first place, then you're going to want to give the Go Pack a shot. I guarantee you'll be glad you did. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel and it helps Volt Grooming kind of innovate on the problems that exist in the grooming space, like the issue with the big pouch toiletry bags. Of course, leave a comment telling Volt what you like or what you don't like about toiletry bags in general. And again, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in another Volt video.